This week I'm testing the Mazda CX-9 and these are my top 10 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is 5 child seats fit in the back here really nicely. Forward facing and rear facing fit really well. Number 2 is the third row access in the CX-9. Now there's a button on the side of the seat here that, as long as you're using the Isofix rather than the outer seat belts, will bring this second row of seats forward so you can easily access that third row. Now these are split on a 60-40 in the second row, and the 40% is on the kerbside, which is great for not having to get passengers to go into the road to climb through to the third row. Number 3 are these doors open really nice and widely, making access really good, and it's easy to get child seats in and out too. Number 4 is I can control the rear aircon from the front dash here, which is really handy while you're driving. Number 5 is the rear seats are nice and high up, so all passengers have really good visibility out of the rear windows. Number 6 is the auto lock and unlock doors. It means I can keep my hands free to carry my little ones. Number 7 is the rear seat removal visual that's on the dash here. It's really good. It lets you know if anyone in the second or third row takes off their seat belts. Number 8 is that legroom is really good in the CX-9. Even with a rear-facing child seat installed in the second row, you could get a 180cm passenger in the first and third rows. Number 9 is the Mazda CX-9 now has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. That was really lacking for me in the CX-9 before. Also, there's speed sign recognition, which comes up on your head-up display or the screen in front of the steering wheel, so you know what speed you should be going all the time. Number 10 is the storage. It's really good throughout all 3 rows of the Mazda CX-9. I've really enjoyed my week with the Mazda CX-9. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.